Hello guys and welcome back.
Welcome back.
We have another unboxing. Today is a different day, so we have to do something different. But again, we looking after you, and Zoe had an idea. So our product is
So this is our product. It's a bit big and heavy.
big and heavy.
I think the easiest solution is actually lie it down. Yes, it does weigh around 12 kilos.
So it's a crystals, but you will see what it is now.
Oh, this is going to be fun. I need more space.
Yep.
I think everybody knows what I'm getting out of the box. Wee!
The camera is getting confused with all these
Signing.
shiny things.
I love the way it actually has with it. Let me open it so you can actually see. Very nice idea. The corners.
They have corners, so you don't cut yourself, because aluminium is
Yeah, that's why
quite
sharp and dangerous.
sharp. I don't want to show you my hands,
And no, we don't.
but I have some.
Well, I don't think you've got a piece that is not a little bit caught with what you do. Oops. As we said, aluminium is sharp. Oops. Oh, I missed the piece. Of course.
So basically, you assemble.
It's DIY, assemble yourself.
Yeah, but you know where is the front and the back with the corners.
Well, yeah, I think so.
So, as you already understand, this is
A storage shelf that you can put loads of things on. As you can see, there is 5 shelves on it. In it. Not on it.
and
Not
they
yet.
can get quite a heavy load.
That's what it says, but I would presume. I don't know. I will try to assemble it. And
Okay, so before we try to do anything else, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna try to make a time lapse of the video, so you can have a rough idea of how is it to assemble. And
how to assemble it.
So, as you see, it's almost 185, so you can put plenty of storage things on top of here. It has this reinforcing beams in the middle.
Yeah, so it doesn't curve.
So it's not gonna curve, as Zoe says. So it's gonna stay in one piece, and you have a perfect storage. It's it has to be stainless steel, So you might expect in maybe a couple of years to get a little weird, the paint, but it's not gonna get very ugly. But bear in mind that it's a storage unit, so basically you put it somewhere that you expect to be inside.
Well, yes, and like if you don't leave it in the rain, and obviously like if you have it in your shed or in like your basement or something, I can't see any problem with it. It won't go for any won't like wood. You can see it's pressurized wood. It's not proper wood. But
Yeah, it's
if you don't put it where it's actually getting wet and damp, I would say it's a good buy.
on the drawing. It shows that you just need a mallet
Yeah, you just need a mallet to put.
and a screwdriver and some gloves for obvious reasons, because I thought it was aluminum. It's not. It's stainless steel, but again, it's sharp.
Yeah, don't follow our thing that we did it without
So
gloves.
that's amazing. I hope you like it. We will move it away from the sitting area.
Well, yes, it's obviously not staying here. But
And as you see, with the how big is it?
oh, it is big.
It is big, so you can put plenty of things, and you can arrange whichever position you want.
Yeah, the height of the shelves, you can
The
put
height of
them
the
like
shelves.
wherever you need them.
So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy our content, because we try so hard to make those videos. So stay tuned. We have something interesting the next week. So bye for now.
Bye for now.
The sweet